Hello everyone. Let's start a new question. Explain advantage of GIS and limitations of GIS. Advantage of GIS. First is efficient data management and analysis. GIS allows for the collections, storage and analysis of spatial and geographical data in a systematic way. This improves decision making especially in fields like urban planning, disaster management and environmental monitoring. Improved decision making, improved decision making by visualizing data on a maps. GIS helps in analyzing the different scenarios and understanding the relationship between geographical locations, which can be crucial for decision in land use, resource allocations and infrastructure development. Third is a cost of time efficiency. GIS tools streamlines operations that would otherwise require a manual effort, such as surveying lands and analyzing environmental impacts. This results in significant savings in both time and cost for projects related to transportations, plannings and resource management and environment conservations. Fourth is the integration of various data sources. GIS can combine data from multiple sources like satellite imagery, surveys and database. These provide a comprehensive view of spatial data, allowing for better analysis and predictions of fields like disaster risking, assessment of urban growth. Fifth point is about enhance communications. GIS tools helps prevent data visually through maps, charts, and 3D models. This simplifies the understanding of complex spatial informations, making it easier to communicate finding to stakeholders and policymakers. Six is a real-time data access. GIS system, when integrated with IoT and remote sensing, allows the real-time data collections and monitoring, which is essential in area like disaster management, traffic control, and environmental monitoring. And seventh is a support spatial queries. GIS allow user to perform spatial queries and analysis, helping identify relationship patterns, trends within the data, which can improve outcome and sectors like public health, agriculture, and transportation. Now let's see the limitations of GIS. First is a high initial cost. Setting up a GIS system can be expensive due to the cost of hardware, software, skill persons, and data acquisitions. For smaller organizations or developing regions, these costs can be prohibitive. Complexity of data. GIS require accurate, up-to-date, and high-quality spatial data for meaningful analysis. Incomplete or inaccurate data can lead to faulty conclusions, making the technology less reliable in region with a poor data availability. So these are the limitations. First is high initial cost. Second is complexity in data. Third is a need for skilled persons. Definitely, if there is a complex data analysis, so we have to analyze with a skilled person. We have to go with a skilled person. GIS system requires specialized knowledge and expertise to operate the interpret the data. Training personals is GIS can be time consuming and costly, limiting its accessibility for some organizations. Fourth is the data integration challenges. Combining data from different sources can sometimes lead to inconsistencies or conflict in data formats, projections, or accuracy. This integration challenge can this integration challenge can affect the quality and reliability of the final analysis. Fifth is the hardware and software limitations. GIS software often requires a high performance hardware, which can be expensive and difficult to maintain. In some cases, software upgrades or compatibility issues can create problems for users, especially in resource limited environments. Six is the limited data availability. GIS is highly dependent on availability of accurate and updated spatial data. In areas where such data is scarce or outdated, the effectiveness of GIS analysis may be significantly reduced. So, these are the limitations. Seventh is a privacy and ethical concerns. The use of GIS, especially in tracking and monitoring, can raise concerns with privacy, particularly when use of surveillance or data collections without consent. This is also the risk of misuse of sensitive location-based information. Thank you.